Hello guys, I'm Chris Dix, and I want to give you guys a quick tropical update on Tropical Storm Cindy from Westerville, Ohio. And the reason I'm facing this way, which is south, is right there is the beginning dense cirrus clouds from Tropical Storm Cindy. I'll have a GIF up on the screen after this clip showing you how those clouds are moving farther north, and then you can see the less dense cirrus clouds start to come up here. But that's about the beginning of it, because if you look up all the way to the north, it is perfectly clear. We are just now getting the beginning of Cindy here in Westerville, Ohio. Now, Central Ohio is getting some clouds from a storm that hasn't even made landfall yet, if that makes any sense to you guys. Probably by the time you're watching this, the storm has made landfall, but the point remains as such. The storm is very large, very expansive. Flooding is a major threat, along with severe weather. So we will be keeping an eye on Cindy as it moves ashore. All the tropical storm warnings in effect, flash flood watches, tornado watches, etc. So far, I think 4 tornadoes have been reported, 2 in the Florida Panhandle, twin tornadoes in Biloxi, Mississippi, an additional tornado in another place in Alabama, I think, as well. So far, 1 person has died so far from Cindy. That was a 10-year-old boy who sustained injuries during a storm and then died from those injuries. So, like I said, very serious event. And even though it may not be the strongest of storms, winds only 50 miles an hour now, and that's at its core, the pressure is dropping relatively rapidly. I mean, it was 1,000 millibars, or 997, I think, this time yesterday, and now it's 992, which is pretty large pressure drop for a storm that's not really strengthening at all. So, not really strengthening in terms of wind speed. But definitely lots of convection coming up through Louisiana and obviously up through the entire United States, easily visible on satellite imagery. So we will have more information coming about Cindy as this continues, of course, on my Instagram at InfoWeather and on my Twitter at InfoWeather1. I'll keep you guys posted on more information as Cindy makes landfall.